Hello, my good people. It's your girl once again. I take this opportunity to welcome you so much to this YouTube channel. If you are a new subscriber, welcome so much to this family. We're gonna learn a lot together. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for coming back. We really appreciate you and we really love you. Thank you for joining us on today's video. Karibuni sana. You're most welcome. So if you're watching with us and you have not subscribed, also consider subscribing, and we're gonna learn a lot together. In this YouTube channel, we usually learn how to make home remedies for our hair, for our skin, and also for our health. So welcome so much. Like, share, and also if you have not subscribed, subscribe, and also consider hitting that notification bell so that you can be notified anytime we upload a new video. So on today's video, as you can see on your screen, we are making a juice that is made of home remedies, and that is very beneficial to our skin, especially the face. If you are someone with pimples, acne, and you want that clear glowing skin, this is your video. So stay with us as we do this together. So thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you. We always use things that you can afford and things that you can get from the supermarket or in the food market that is next to you. So I'm going to straight to the video. What we always say here is that you have to wash your fruits and also your vegetables. Mostly we use vinegar or baking soda, so make sure you use such so that you can keep off all the impurities and all the germs out of the fruits that you're going to use, or out of the vegetables that you're going to use. So if you're using fruits, make sure you wash them and you dry them, and also if you're using vegetables, make sure you have washed them well and also dried them for the juice purpose. So thank you so much, guys, for joining us. Today we are looking at 4 great ingredients that can be used to clear your skin, especially the face, and to have a very glowing skin. So the first things that we are going to use is the pineapple. So we will be having a pineapple, cucumber, carrots, and ginger, and also we will have a little bit of drops of lemon. So we start by preparation. We are going to peel our pineapple and also cut it into small pieces, because out of the at the end of it all, we will be making a juice out of it. So follow carefully on how we are making it as we talk about the benefits of pineapple on our skin and why we are using it on this video. So what are these benefits of pineapple on our skin? One thing, you will find that it keeps our skin healthy by maintaining collagen and elastin levels. It is also excellent option for acne prone skin because it treats acne. The next thing is it contains vitamin C and bromelain, which helps in reducing skin inflammation and redness. Another thing, it has antioxidants that protects the skin from sun damage, pollution, and environmental pollutants. So those are great benefits of pineapples on our skin, and this is the reason why we are using it on this video. So after cutting into small pieces, we transfer into a container, because at the end of it all, we will be juicing it out. So on to the next. You can see how it looks yummy, it looks so sweet. So on to the next ingredient, we are going to use a cucumber. And why are we using a cucumber onto this video? We are going to peel the cucumber off, because mostly what we need, it is the cucumber itself, not the cucumber peels. So after peeling it off, we will be cutting also into small pieces and combining with the pineapple. So let's talk about the benefits of cucumber on our skin. One of them is that it reduces inflammation. Another thing, it disappears dark circles and dark spots. If you're someone with dark circles under the eye and you have dark spots that has been there for a long time, this is a good thing for you. Also, it helps with acne prone skin. If you have a lot of acne or your skin is prone to acne, this is a great thing also for you. It tightens the pores, and you know what it means by tightening the pores. It is so great. Also, it evens out the skin tone. So another thing, it combats aging signs. So if your skin is aging quickly, this is a good thing to include in your juices because it combats the aging signs. Another thing, it's a great for sensitive and irritative skin. If you have a sensitive and irritative skin, this is a way to go. So the next ingredient, or the vegetable we're gonna use, it's a carrots. Why are we using carrots on this video? You know that carrots are very great, especially for the skin. So let's look about these benefits of carrots and why we are using it on this. It protects against sun damage. Another thing, it is rich in vitamin A, which improves skin and eye health. Another thing, it is rich in vitamin C, which protects our skin from free radical damage and protects collagen synthesis while reducing hyperpigmentation. Another thing, it improves cell turnover. Cell turnover is a natural process performed by our body to replace dead skin with new, and also it produces healthy skin cells. So it brightens the complexion of skin. This is by reducing the appearances of hyperpigmentation in the skin and promoting antioxidant activity while providing added UV protection. So another thing, it also have anti-aging benefits. So if your skin is also again aging quickly, you see this benefit again in cucumber, now here in carrots. Another thing, it reduces pimples. If you have pimples, this is a great way to go. Another thing, it reduces redness and scarring. For those people who have scars that have been there for a long time and you're wondering how to do it naturally, include carrots on your juice. If you're a person who makes home juice, include carrot because it's so good in reducing the redness and also the scars. So those are the great benefits of carrot, and that is why we are using it on this video. So after cutting, you transfer to the container that has the pineapple and the cucumber, because out of them all we will be making a juice. So these are our ingredients so far. So we are going to look into the next ingredient, and that is a ginger. So we are going to peel it off again and again. We are going to cut it into small pieces because we will be juicing at the end of this. So what are the benefits of ginger to our skin and why are we using it here? You find that ginger fades scars. You have seen that in carrots. Also ginger, it fades off the scars. Due to its toning and antioxidant properties, it reduces appearance of skin scars. It reduces inflammation. You have seen this also in cucumber and in carrots. Another thing, it brightens the skin tone. We have seen that also in carrots. Another thing, it rejuvenates the skin. This is contributing to a youthful appearance. So those are great benefits of ginger, and that is the reason why we are using it on this video. So after cutting our ingredients, we will be transferring them into a blender. If you have actually a juicer, you don't need to cut your ingredients into small pieces. You just peel them and juice them out. Only that in this video I'm using a blender, and that is why I've chosen to cut my ingredients into small pieces. So after transferring, I will be adding water. The reason why I'm adding water, because I'm making a juice out of this, and most of the ingredients here, they do not have much water in them. So that is why we are using water. You can use any water, clean water that you have in the house. After that, we are going to include some drops of lemon, because we know lemon is so good. It has great benefits also for our skin and also for our body. If you can do your research also, you will be able to see the reason why. And if you want to know more from this video, from this channel, we have done so many videos and we have included a lemon and we have talked about the benefits of it into the skin and body. So after that, we are going to blend, because what we want here, it's a juice. So we will be blending our juice. After blending, we will be straining the juice. You can strain your juice out, or you can take it as it is. But if you want that fine juice, it is good to strain it because it has a lot of fiber the way it is right now. But if you want that fine juice, just strain as I am going to do. So you get a container, and also I'll get a sieve because I'm going to sieve out the fiber and get out the fine juice. So this is what we are doing, and we are doing it together. So I just stir so that I can mix, because most of the fiber was up and the water, the juice itself, it's down. So I had to stir so that I can be able to strain. So after stirring properly, now you strain using your strainer, or you can extract just the way you feel possible and okay from your home. So for me, I used a strainer. I strain out the juice. As you can see, the juice is looking so amazing, and I know it is so sweet because, especially for the lemon that we have used, the pineapple. The pineapple was so sweet, and that way I didn't need to add any sugar. But if your juice is not sweet and you want it sweeter, you can add a speech or a small amount of sugar on it. But since in this channel we make home remedies that are natural and that are beneficial, most of the times I don't prefer adding sugar. I use fruits. I combine fruits that are not sugary with them that are sugary, so that I don't have to add sugar. So our juice now is ready. I have strained all of it. Now I transfer it to serve and to enjoy. So you put it into a glass, or you put it in whatever you use for drinking your juice. Look at how amazing it is looking. Just gained the color of the carrots, the cucumber, the combination also of pineapple, and it is looking so yummy and so sweet. Look at that. So I am going to take a straw and enjoy my juice. Hope if you have made yours with me, make sure we are enjoying together, because I can assure you this is amazing. So let me enjoy my juice. I really love you guys. Thank you so much for joining this YouTube channel. If you have watched with us until this point, kindly consider subscribing. Show us your support that we can be able to continue doing more videos and more videos. I can tell you the juice is so sweet, so sweet. So don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe if you have not subscribed, and also to hit the notification bell. Bye bye. Thank you so much. I love you. Subscribe, like, and share for more. See you on the next one. Bye.